In this video, we will learn how to fix not all contacts or deleted issue on your iPhone 12 or 13 or 11 XXR or any other iPhone having iOS 15 version or later or below iOS version. When you try to delete contacts on your iPhone, you will get to see this error. And if you have only read-only access to the contact that you have saved from WhatsApp or social media sync or WhatsApp sync, but the contact is not saved on your iPhone, then you will get this error of not all contacts were deleted. One or more contacts may be read-only. You need to delete the contacts with read-only permission or saved with read-only option from other applications like WhatsApp or Facebook or any other contact sync applications. And in order to get rid of this error, not all contacts were deleted on iPhone, you need to delete them also. Solution 1. Go to WhatsApp. Go to Chats. Click on Contact. Click on Contact Name. Click on Edit at the top right corner. Now see Delete Contact option. Click on it. Again click on Delete Contact option to confirm this process. Go back. Now see your contact has been deleted. Solution 2. Go to Phone app. Click on Contacts. Press and hold the name. Now see your last option, Delete Contact. Click on it. Again click on Delete Contact. Now see your contact has also been deleted from the phone. Last solution is delete contacts from other devices that you have logged in with same Apple ID. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.